Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start with is my brows, but let me give me a little clip to clip my hair back because I don't know how people doing that or whatever. But the first thing I'm going to start with is my brows, and yeah, if you guys want an updated brow tutorial, just comment down below or let me know if y'all want one because I'll gladly do y'all one. But I'm going to just do them really quick off camera, or I'm going to just, you know, let it speed through or whatever because, yeah. Everything I use will be listed down in the description box because it's just hard to try to tell y'all everything that I'm using. Okay, so after I do my brows, the next thing I like to do is put some primer on. And yeah, the primer I use is Lancôme. I don't know. I'm gonna list it down below because this thing is all scratched off. But yeah, I'm gonna just give me 2 little pumps of this. You don't need that much because it go a long way. And prime your skin really, really well. Already moisturized before the video. So yeah. Hey you guys, sorry I had to change it to a voiceover because people walked in while I was recording, but here I'm just putting on my foundation. As you can see, this is my favorite foundation because I'm at the end and I have to use it on the back of my hand. But let's move on. And here I'm just getting my setting spray. I like to spray that on my face before I put my foundation on, and I'm gonna spray it on my brush as well, and I'm gonna put my foundation on. Okay, so after I put on my foundation, I like to take my concealer, and the concealer I like to use a shade that's either 1 shade lighter or 2 shades lighter. I don't know why, I just like the effect that it gives. But if you guys want a highlight and contour video, like a more in-depth video, I'll be sure to give you guys one. Just please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and all that. But yeah, your girl just putting on her concealer and all the spots you put concealer in. And I'm gonna get my beauty blender that's damp. Make sure you guys' beauty blender is damp. And I'm just gonna start blending out my concealer. Okay, so after I blended out my concealer with my beauty blender, I like to take my foundation brush and blend out all the harsh lines, because after you blend it out with your beauty blender, sometimes they leave a harsh line, and I like to blend it out. But obviously somebody had me rolling right here. But after I blend it out, I just get my setting powder and just set all the spots that I put my concealer. And then, yeah. Like I said, if you guys want a in-depth highlight and contour video, please be sure to comment down below and let me know. Okay, so after I'm done highlighting and contouring, I'm going to take my Morphe palette and I'm going to take this brush. I'll list everything down below that I used. And I'm going to get, what color did I get? Oh, some orangey brown color. And I just began to put that all over my lid. Okay, so after I'm done putting the eyeshadow on, I'm going to take my highlighter. I'm going to be sure to list everything down below in the description box. So, yeah. But I'm going to highlight all the high points of my face. But let me tell y'all about this highlighter, sis. This highlighter is so bomb.
I don't know how I'm addicted to making this flash green. Yeah, most of these niggas hoes, I call them drag queens. Yeah, I stay to myself and don't ask things. No, I don't need no help or no tag team. I gotta get the back from my family. I'm addicted to making this flash green.
Okay, so after I'm done highlighting, I'm going to take a flat shader brush and I'm going to take a darker brown and begin to smoke out my waterline. Okay, so now I'm just applying some more highlighter and then I'm going to be setting my face with some setting spray from PIXI, but I'll be sure to list it down below. And then I'm going to be getting my mascara and just putting some at the bottom of my eyelashes. And if you guys want an eyelash tutorial, be sure to comment down below and let me know, and I'll be sure to make one for y'all. But here I'm just going to get my highlighter and my little shader brush again, but that at the end it's like a dual fiber brush, and I'm going to be putting my highlighter right there in the inner corners, just because it just wakes up the eye and it just looks bomb, and it make you look bronzy. We're gonna be bronzy goddesses, you feel me? And then here I'm just getting my brown lip liner. I love brown, that's like my go-to lip, and I'm just gonna be putting that all over my lip. Okay, so here I'm going to be showing y'all how I do my famous little beauty marks that I live for, and I cannot go a day without when I do my makeup. I like to put one by my eye, and I like to put one like under my lip, like on my chin. I don't know why, those are just like my favorite spots I like to put them, and it just fits my face bomb, and I love it. Try it, girl. Okay, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe to your girl, and make sure you guys tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. But thanks for watching. Enjoy these slow-mos. Your girl out. Peace.